Hi guys, and welcome to week 3 of distance learning. This is Mr. Shear, and this week's topic is surface area of a rectangular prism. This is just an assignment overview. There are 2 assignments again this week. Your first assignment, which is about surface area of rectangular prisms, is in your Google Classroom. It's a worksheet. Your second assignment is a review topic. It's composite figures and some of the area formulas for trapezoid, etc. But that assignment's in ALEKS. There's 12 questions in ALEKS that are assigned to you. It should pop up when you log in, and that's assignment number 2 this week. There is no book assignment this week, but if you do want to read the definitions or the explanation in the book of surface area of rectangular prisms, it's pages 763 through pages 766. Alright, so what surface area measures? What is surface area? Well, if you look on this box here on the left-hand screen, what surface area is it is the area of the total box, including both sides, the bottom, the top, back, front. So it's all 4 sides, the top, and the bottom. That's what you're measuring. Surface area is often expressed as SA, as an abbreviation, and it involves 3 measurements: the length, the width, and the height. And you find it, your formula for it is right here at the bottom of your screen. Surface area is 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the length times the width plus 2 times the height times the width. That sounds complicated, but you're basically timesing this height by both of these numbers, this width by both of these numbers, and this length by both of these numbers. Each time you do it, you're doubling it. So let's see that one more time. So here's an example. I've got a box that's 6 centimeters by 7 centimeters by 4 8/10 centimeters. Here's the formula again. If we were just to plug these numbers in, 7 times 6, 7 times 4.8, and 6 times 4.8, that means that you've now multiplied all of these at least one time by each other, and then each time you double it. That would give you the 84 plus 67.2 plus 57.6 for 208 8/10 centimeters. Because this is area, your labeling would be squared. So we're going to try with an actual problem. This is problem number 1 from your worksheet assignment. You have a rectangular prism that is 1 centimeter by 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So it's 1 times 2. The 1 comes from here, the 2 comes from here, and then you double it. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 5, the 1 comes from here, the 5 comes from here. 1 times 5 is 5, and then you double it. So that's going to give you 10. And 2 times 5. 2 comes from here, 5 comes from here. 2 times 5 is 10, and you double it, so it's 20. 4 plus 10 plus 20 is 34. It's centimeters squared. So again, all we did was make sure to measure this one by this 2, this one by this 5, and this 2 by this 5. We'll do the second question on the worksheet. This rectangular prism is 3 by 4 by 8. So I'm going to give you just a few seconds here to just stare at the numbers I have plugged into the formula. Hopefully what you've seen is that this 3 and this 4 come from here. This 3 and this 8, it's this 3 times this 8, and this 4 and this 8 come from here. Each time you're multiplying those, you're then doubling them. It gives you 3 numbers to add for a total of 136 feet. Should be squared. So this is just one last slide. Tried to color code it a little bit to show you where the numbers are coming from. But you're basically, just the recap, is you're taking each of these numbers and multiplying them one time by each other and then doubling it. That gives you 3 numbers that you then add up for the final answer of 166, whatever your unit is, in this case feet, squared. That's it for the week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, ask for a Zoom meeting. I'm hopeful that this lesson goes well. And yeah, stay tuned for future lessons. Stay safe. And as always, I hope you guys are doing well.